name's Kathy Iacono. I'm a business manager at Carla Zampatti. We're a fashion brand in Australia. We've been around for 65 years. Biggest challenge would have been the inventory accuracy. The system allowed a lot of people to do a lot of things that shouldn't be done. And then obviously it falls on the operations team back in head office to try and the finance team, and it's just a domino effect. That move over to Cin7 has drastically changed the way we run business. Our inventory has been so accurate ever, and I've been in the company like 22 years. It's the integration with Shopify and Cin7 that is huge, because 20% of our sales are through the web channel. So that was really big. Before Cin7, it looked like negative 3,000 buttons. With Cin7, like I said, it's accurate. So I think the old program used to allow them to just do things to tick a box and move forward and keep the manufacturing going without any accuracy. Whereas now it makes you think about it. So it's showing, I don't have those buttons, someone hasn't put an invoice in or a purchase order in or something like that. So it makes you think to do it because you want the accurate stock, because we know we can get it. The system gives us the flexibility. And if they make an error, we can fix it. Whereas the previous system, near impossible to fix. I think our customer relationships are probably our most important, and that's the reason we did come to Cin7 and do this software stack. So we've succeeded in that. The flexibility with Cin7, that anything's possible. We can build on top, and Cin7 gives the partners the flexibility to do that, to help us as customers.